What's up guys, welcome back to another remote work from home job video. Today I have another brand new job lead for you guys. This is with you working third shift. So if you were looking for a overnight job or some job where you can do late at nights or real early in the mornings, then this is an opportunity that you may want to look into. This is also going to be a really simple type of job. This is a after hours coordinator, and in this job you'll be doing like customer service or similarly related task here. All that is required is just a high school diploma or GED or the equivalent, some experience in customer service or experience in scheduling. Not really required, but will or would be preferred. So if you do have that, then that would be a plus. Also, for this job, you can work during the weekdays and you could also work on weekends. So it's kind of a bit flexible here, but just another really good opportunity. It is entry level or beginner friendly, and this is something that you guys will definitely be interested in. So be sure to stick around to the very end of this video so you can hear all about this brand new job listing. Also want to remind you guys that as soon as I post the job listings, a lot of people are commenting and saying that, you know, within 24 hours or within the very same day of posting these job listings, they are removed. That is because a lot of people are applying and these jobs are moving quickly. So if you ever come across a new job lead that I cover that you are interested in, my recommendation is to probably just open up a new tab while you're still watching this video and start your job application right then and there. That way you actually get your application in before the job listing is closed, because a ton of people are looking for jobs and they are applying for all these jobs as well, especially since these are higher than average paying remote work from home jobs. Now, with that said, if you do need help with your resume, be sure to check out the pro resume templates right here. Professionally done resume templates. They are optimized for the ATS system. This will definitely help you to land more job interviews, which will in turn help you to land more job offers. So it will help you to land a job quicker. Also, based on my research, I found that the average time it takes for you to land a job is over 6 months. I think it was around 8 months. And that's with you consistently sending out over 100 job applications per week. So if you're only sending out, 1 to 2 job applications per day, then unless you get really lucky, the odds are stacked against you. So you definitely want to have your resume template set up so whenever you come across a job, you can quickly edit and customize it for that particular job. Make sure it's ATS compliant and send out your application immediately. And you want to be sending out, I would recommend at least 10 job applications per day if you're really serious about landing a new opportunity. Also here you get matching cover letter templates with instructions, matching reference pages, matching thank you letters, everything fully customizable. Screen recording included showing you exactly how you can customize these very quickly. So very good resource if you do need this. The link is down below. And with that said, one more quick reminder, be sure to go over to my second channel, which is the work from home channel. This is where I'm moving all the highest paying remote work from home and job opportunities. This is where you will find them. I'm actually going to repurpose this main channel for a different type of content. So if you did come here, if you found my channel and you're looking primarily for a remote work from home job or remote opportunities or methods to make money, be sure to go over to the work from home channel, subscribe to that channel, and turn on notifications for that channel, because that's where I'm posting the highest paying job leads that I can find online. So for example, $6,000 in data entry, which is just really crazy. Also $27 per hour doing remote clinical support. Also $47,000 per year doing patient services. Other jobs here paying well into 6 figures. Also remote work from home jobs worldwide that do pay very well as well, like $24 or $26 per hour rather, working in tech support from anywhere in the world. So really good job opportunities here. And the good thing about most of these jobs is that they are flexible in the sense that if you already have a full-time job or a part-time job, you can actually pick up one of these jobs and now you can have extra income. So with all that covered, be sure to subscribe, but let's now dive into today's job lead. So today's job lead is coming out of this company. It's help at home. caregivers, and they're currently looking for a after-hours coordinator. So the after-hours coordinator is a remote position, and in this position, you'll be responsible for providing third shift support to clients and caregivers. And the hours here are weekdays 5:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and weekend hours are going to be 7:45 a.m. to 8 p.m. This position is responsible for confirming their caregivers have arrived at the client during the scheduled time, ensuring company policies are followed, restaffing caregiver callouts, completing schedule changes, staffing new cases, and handling escalations from third-party answering services with call routing and escalations when applicable. Now, as for the duties and responsibilities, these are just some of the things that you'll be required to do. So, receives and handles incoming calls from employees, clients, and other agencies in a timely and professional manner, identifies the nature of the inquiry or issue and provides accurate and appropriate solutions, provides support and direction to third-party answering service as needed, assist each market with a variety of internal inquiries, including HR-related questions, IT support, policy clarification, benefits information, and other general inquiries as needed. Maintain accurate and detailed records of all calls, inquiries, and resolutions in the systems to ensure proper tracking and follow-up. Collaborate with individuals to escalate and resolve complex or unresolved issues promptly. Demonstrate empathy, patience, and professionalism in all interactions. Coordinate urgent escalations and clinical inquiries based on client's condition with each market. Respond to initial incident reports. Upkeep the company's electronic health record system. Comply with company policies, and perform all other required duties by your assigned manager. Now, as for required skills for this job, you need to be able to work in a fast-paced work environment, ability to effectively communicate externally as well as internally with all levels of the organization, ability to focus on client needs by anticipating, understanding, and responding appropriately to the needs of internal and external clients to meet or exceed their expectations, strong interpersonal and intercultural communication skills, ability to handle confidential information in compliance with HIPAA, also ability to lead change and innovation, ability to manage multiple tasks on a daily basis, manage time effectively, public relations ability, interpersonal skills, and professional telephone manner, strong attention to detail, and also proficiency in Microsoft Office. Again, all you really need here is a high school diploma or the equivalent that is required. Previous customer service and previous experience in scheduling would be preferred but is not required. Now, for this opportunity, you can go ahead and apply right here. So I'll leave the link to this page so you can apply here. But a really easy to do entry-level job that just about anyone can apply for. Now, the only downside here is that there was no salary listed, and I did find the company on Glassdoor. However, even though they have over 80 reported salaries here, there were no salaries for the after hours coordinator. So you'd kind of have to go through here and look at the different salaries to see which one would be most appropriate. Or you could look at some of their other job listings and see which of them is actually as close as possible to this job listing, and then figure out what they pay for that job. And that may give you an idea of how much they're paying here. But they are listed on Glassdoor, so you can look at these salaries, but you just can't see the specific salary for this particular job right here. So that's the only downside. Now, in addition to this job, there is another opportunity here that you guys may be interested in. This is something that I covered on my other channel. So the iWeb content team here is looking for writers, and they're always looking for writers. So this is the requirements. You need writing experience. US college is a must, US based, and have English as your first language. And to apply here, you need to send some samples of SEO writing, and these need to be really good samples. So typos, misspellings, grammar, and punctuation mistakes will disqualify you. So if you can send in some really good samples and you meet all the requirements here, you can get a job here. Also, training is available, so you don't really need a whole lot of experience. So this is something that you can apply to as well. Now, there is no listed pay rate here because this is going to be paying mostly on a per job or per project basis. But writers actually make really good money online, and it's a really flexible way to make money, especially if you need additional income. So if you're looking to make a few extra $1,000s per month and you have, I would say if you have okay writing skills, you can create some really good writing samples. You can send those in, you can practice a bit, and as long as you can send in work that doesn't have any typos, misspellings, or errors, usually you'll be good at writing. Also, there are automated tools that will help to check your work for these, but just proofread your work a couple of times before you hand it in, and you should be good. So another opportunity here. So with all this covered, all the best in your job hunt. Don't forget to go over and check out my other channel, the Work From Home channel. I actually just posted a brand new job opportunity there, so you may want to check that out. That is a part-time job where you can make $850 or over per week, working only 6 hours, and those 6 hours are flexible hours which you can fit around your own schedule right now. They also give 2 days of PTO per month, which is really good. So be sure to check out that on the other channel. But with all that covered, all the best, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next video.